Basically, in this video I will show you how to memorize the different muscles of the upper limb. We will divide muscles of upper limb into different categories, and then we will make the easily digestible mnemonics. So first of all, muscles which are connecting the upper limb with the vertebral column. For this purpose I have made a mnemonic transport to left and to right. So on the screen you are clearly seeing that there is T. Though on the right side there are two R, one R, two second R, then two L. First L is latissimus dorsi, levator scapulae, rhomboides minor, rhomboides major, and T is for the trapezius muscle. So you can memorize these five muscle with the help of the mnemonic transport left and right. R, R, L, L, and T. So in the next, I will show you how to memorize the muscles connecting the upper limb to the thoracic wall. For this, I have also made a mnemonic. You must be familiar with the software SPSS. So we have modified slightly SSPP. So in the previous section, there were two R, one was minor, one was major. In this here, two pectoral muscles are there. One is pect major, one is pect minor, other is serratus anterior, and then fourth muscle is subclavius. So you can remember with the mnemonic SSPP. Now I will show you how to remember the muscles connecting the scapula to the humerus. For this, I have also made a mnemonic sits down. In the classes, you must be familiar a teacher saying sits down. So SITTS and down. So S is for supraspinatus. I is for the infraspinatus. Then two T's are there. One is major, other is minor. So they are teres minor and teres major. D is for the deltoid, and S is for the subscapularis. So you can memorize these six muscles just with the help of sits down mnemonic. Now I have made a mnemonic for the upper arm muscles also. It's simple. Divide into anterior posterior. In the anterior, BBC, like BBC News. First B is for the brachialis, other is for the bicep brachii, and third is for the coracobrachialis. Posterior compartment, it is easy. It's only tricep. Now muscles of the anterior compartment, anterior facial compartment of the forearm. For this, I also have made a mnemonic. We will divide into first of all superficial layer and the deep layer. In the superficial layer, there are five muscles. In the deep layer, there are three muscles. For the superficial layer, you have got the mnemonic FFFPP, and for the deep, it's only FFP, like fresh frozen plasma. So one by one, first F is for the P is for the pronator teres palmaris longus, flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris, and finally flexor digitorum superficialis. On the other aspect, flexor digitorum profundus, flexor pollicis longus, and finally pronator quadratus. So finally, at the end, muscles of the posterior facial compartment of the forearm. Again, you will divide into superficial and the deep layer. For them, we have separate mnemonics. For the superficial compartment, I have made the mnemonic B. BEA, as is the fifth letter in the alphabetically. So E is written five times. B, E, E. Now E five times. B, E, E. Then two more E's. And finally at the end A. For the deep compartment, I have made the mnemonic C. So here E is three times at least, because E has three legs. So now one by one, superficial compartment, you write the B in the extended form. First, B is for the brachioradialis. Then E is for the external carpi radialis longus, external carpi radialis brevis, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris. Then A is for the enconius. It's a small muscle. One E is left. That E is for the extensor digitorum. So it's for the extensor digitorum. On the other end, deep compartment muscles, again you will write SEEEA. S is for the supinator and E is for the extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, extensor indicis, and A is for the abductor pollicis longus.